I'm Ivan Ebom, the project coordinator of the project for restoration of livelihoods in the northern region. This is a project being implemented by the Ministry of Local Government in the 9 districts in the northern region. We have 8 districts in Acholi sub-region and Adjumani. Basically, the project is being funded by IFAD through a loan of about $50 million and a grant from an institution called the Adaptation for Smallholder Agricultural Program, about $10 million. Then the government of Uganda is also providing money, $9.3 million, and then the beneficiaries will be expected to also contribute funds. The overall goal of this project is increased income, food security, and reducing the vulnerability of the smallholder farmers in the region. The key components of this project are mainly 3. One is on rural livelihoods, where we are focusing on improving on the agricultural productivity and production, basically by improving on the skills of the farmers and their practices, improving on the technologies, improving on the kinds of seeds they are supposed to plant, and then also reducing their vulnerability to climate change. So there's a lot of capacity building and skills development towards improving on agricultural production and productivity. And then secondly, we are looking at aspects of market linkages and infrastructure, where we are looking at improving on the community access roads in areas where we're implementing this project, and also improving on market infrastructure in selected areas of the project. And then the third and last one is looking at ensuring that this project is implemented efficiently. So we are working very closely with the district local governments as the focal partners. We are also working with the other partners within the ministries, like Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Works, Ministry of Water, Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Ministry of Trade and Industry. All these are partner ministries that are very key in the implementation of this project. We are also working with the research institutions in terms of improved technologies, seeds, and skills, new skills on agricultural practices. And then we're working also with the District Farmers Association, where they're strong, and the District Traders Associations. We're working with other partners, skilled partners in relation to environment and climate change issues, and also looking at technologies that improve on energy access and sustainable energy access. So these are the key partners we're working with. This project is meant to be for 7 years. We have already covered 1 year, so we still have 6 years ahead of us.
In this land of another,
now we organized a trip to Tanzania. And this trip basically was for selected participants from the district local governments, the District Farmers Association, and the project management unit. For these participants to go and learn and experience what is happening in Tanzania, especially as far as the bulking and marketing of agricultural produce is concerned, because we had been informed that in Tanzania they had already developed this capacity. So since we are also targeting our farmers to improve on their marketing skills and bulking, and then accessing the domestic and export markets, we wanted these participants to go as core learners, so that they see physically what is happening in Tanzania. For example, in Tanzania, we were able to see the bulk markets for maize, where the farmers are able to produce a lot of maize and deliver it to a centralized bulking point And in this bulking point, there is a ready market. There are facilities for weighing and loading on heavy, long distance trucks. There are facilities for cleaning and bagging, and the market is readily available, and the prices are very competitive for the traders and the farmers. So it means that when you have these facilities, then the farmers will be having ready market, and the traders will be able to access the produce at centralized points, which can easily now supply the respective markets outside the produce area. So we learned a lot, and we are really very happy, and we are going to transfer these lessons to our project area. Finally, I would wish to extend our appreciation first and foremost to the government of Uganda for having taken this initiative of seeing that the people in the northern region are considered and their livelihoods are restored. And then also I would extend my appreciation to IFAD for the funding that has been received by this project. It is definitely a big contribution restoring livelihoods in this region. And then I would also extend my appreciation. So far, we have had very good response from the districts, from the people in the region. They are really taking up the project very seriously, and we believe that this project will succeed so long as the beneficiaries can take up the concept, change their mindset, can change their practices, and then adopt the new technologies and practices. So definitely we are on track, and we believe we shall achieve to our expectations.